Hi, boys and girls. For math today, we are going to be talking about capacity and volume and talking about things that can hold more than another or which one holds a lesser amount. So this paper just says to talk to your partner. We're going to talk about this at 12 o'clock math meeting, but I wanted to let you try this paper on the back. Let me just put mine in with your cubes beforehand, and we'll talk about it some more. So it says cover this shape with squares. So you're going to use your cubes if you have them, and then count how many filled up that square, or I'm sorry, that shape with squares. So I'm using my cubes. It's not going to fit perfectly in here, but we're going to try to get an idea of how many can fill up this. And you might have to use your second set to see. Ooh. It's not a perfect square, so there's going to be some space. Open a little bit. Oh. It's going to be hard to find. Oh, it did fit in. So then I'm going to count them up. You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 of my cubes fit in there, but look at all that extra space when I do this. So that's why it is quite tricky because we don't get an accurate number, but we can see that we can fit about 14 of our cubes in here. So you guys can write that number 1 and then a 4. The bottom says fill the circle with beans. So I'm going to use my beans to see how many beans we can fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can I fit one more? Oh, it's kind of tricky. 10. I can fit about 10 beans in that circle. So that tells us something. Just informally, which is like not like completely accurate. It could be filled more. There is still space there, but we can kind of get an idea of how much something can hold. We can see that this circle can hold 10 beans. And if I drew a circle right next to it, do you think this circle could hold 10 beans? No, of course not. It's much smaller. So the capacity that it has is a lot less than this bigger shape. So if you have something at home to try with this, you could use beans if you have some dried beans in your house, or something else small, Cheerios or something else, just to get an idea of practicing filling up that circle. And if you have your cubes, hopefully you do try them up there. And we will talk about this at our math meeting when we discuss this page, lesson 13, right here with some different size containers. Okay. Thanks for watching.